In today's video, I'm going to show you top 5 niches for the Halloween and how can you make sales by using these niches up to their full potential. So let's get started. Hey guys, what's up? This is Maywish. I have been in print on demand business for more than a year and I am here making print on demand content just for you guys in order to motivate you and give you guys the right tips and tricks. And if you guys have any query related to Redbubble, you can ask me up on my DM in my Instagram, and the link is in the description below. Moreover guys, in this video I'm going to share some secret tips, so make sure you are watching this video till the end, and like, comment, subscribe is also important. So guys, let's get started. So the number one trend which is in front of us is Halloween is a lifestyle, not a holiday, and it has a search result you can see here. And moreover guys, Halloween is approaching very fast and you have to make designs on it as if you want to make full potential sales from Halloween. So guys, these are the sales and you can see the trend as well, and this is the trend, and here you can see all the designs related to Halloween. And it's a very cool saying, Halloween is a lifestyle, not a holiday. And if you want to see more best-selling designs, you can select from here best-selling designs, and here you can see the best-selling designs. Guys, in this trend I'm lacking some sticker. Here's only one sticker and you have to make some stickers, and you can also make this littering designs as well. And guys, make sticker packs. As I told you already, that sticker packs made me more than $100, so here is a lot of potential. Go make designs on it and get your first sales. The second niche that we have is I have been ready for Halloween since last Halloween. Yes guys, Halloween is a very important event in print on demand. More and more people start shopping from Redbubble and other print on demand websites, and here you can see the sticker and make more stickers guys. And you can use the skull just like this way. He is using the skull and writing here some typography or some lettering with great fonts, and here you can see the fonts as well. There are great fonts and you can see all these fonts. These are great fonts and you can make sales from these fonts as well. As I'm already making sales, and here you can see this guy is having their designs on mask. So guys, it is very useful. And here you can see the cool cap with pumpkin. You can also make pumpkin for Halloween. So this is it. And moreover, if you want to see more trending or the newest one, you can see the best selling designs from here, and you can see the best selling designs here, and these are the ones. So guys, make designs on it and go get your first sales. The third niche is I pause my game to celebrate Halloween. So you can here see the search results are very low, and basically there are two niches. One is the gaming niche and the other is Halloween, and it's a great idea to capture both niches. As you can see, all the people are using some fonts like Halloween and using pumpkin style remote controls, and you can see this one as well. And these are the great niche because it has targeting two niches in one time, and you could potentially make a lot of sales from it. And here you can see this one I personally like, and you can see here this simple one as well, and there are a lot of it. And here you can this switch on the stick as well. And if you go to the best selling designs, here you can see some stickers, but again they are lacking some sticker packs. Make sticker packs as it gives more room to the customer to purchase your stickers as you're providing more value to their money. So you can see here all the designs. Make design related to these designs, and you can see here using the old fashioned game and which we have used in our childhood. So guys, make designs related to it. So the number fourth niche is Halloween exploring, and you can see the search results as well. And you can see here he's making a spooky ghost with a typing of boo, and you can see this one as well. Here you can see a lot of stickers as these people are well aware of the sticker. And here you can see this thing. Don't do this guys. Make things like this is also cute good one, but it's just transparent. So guys, don't do this thing. And most of the stickers are here transparent basically, but you can see the best ones from here. Select best selling designs, and here you can see all the tags. You can use all these tags in your designs tag section as well, and this will definitely get you more sales. And here you can see all the designs, and this is a cute sock, and trick or treat you can write in this way as well, and you can design this thing as well. Basically people are crazy about, guys, I can't tell you, people are a lot crazy about Halloween, and they purchase a lot of, like, they purchase for Halloween day 1, Halloween day 2, and just like this way. So guys, make designs, most of it, and get most of your sales from Halloween. And after Halloween, Q4 is also approaching, and let me remind in the comment section to tell you guys the designs, or tell you guys about the Q4 and the strategy about the Q4. So guys, make designs on this trend as well. So the last niche is Halloween target. Yes guys, Halloween is definitely a target for you guys and for me as well. So here you can see all the designs, and this guy make a spooky dog ghost, and this is a good idea. And here you can see all the stuff, but again there are lack of some stickers. Make some sticker packs and use purple color as well, as purple color is related to ghosts and spooky things. So purple and orange color is very ideal. And here you can see he is using pumpkin with a cute kitty. So guys, make such type of designs, he's a genius man. And if we go to the best selling design, we can here see the best selling designs, and here you can see this one thing. And basically guys, here this is a target thing. He used Halloween and the target sign together, and here you can see a small spooky ghost on the right side of the shirt, and this is very cool. Use target sign here and use some spooky or pumpkins things here. And here you can see the mask as well, this is the great mask. And so guys, this is it. Here you can see the skeleton as well, and a lot of stuff. Here you can trick or tacos, this is also a good one. You have to make such type of designs related to some other niches. It will attract more and more customers, and you will definitely get more sales. So guys, this is it from my side. Thank you for watching me, and all the people who are supporting me and watching my video till this end. So guys, have a nice day. Cheers, and I will come up with new video tomorrow.